Oops. Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm back to show you and share with you how to make this solid granny square, basically for beginners, whoever wants to learn how to make the solid granny square. It's an easy square to do and repetitive throughout the work, no matter how many rows you do. So stay tuned for the tutorial. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook for this tutorial. You can use any yarn of your choice with the crochet hook recommended on the yarn label. We will start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna join to the first chain to form a ring. I'm gonna chain 3 and inside the ring I will add 2 double crochet. Chain 2, inside the ring again 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and 3 double crochet again. And chain 2 and the last 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, total of 4 times. Chain 2 and join to the top, chain 3 with a slip stitch. And this is the first square. On to the next round, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3. So this chain 3 will be considered as 1 double crochet at the end when I come back to work this space, chain 2 space. So for now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and we repeat 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, in the chain 2 space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and again same thing. and the last 2 stitches. And now the last chain 2 space, what I'm gonna do, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, and join to the top, chain 3 with a slip stitch, which makes it 2 double crochet here. So this is how row 2 looks like, and it's gonna be the same throughout. You will get more stitches to work in every row, and then the corners will always be 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet throughout. And then again, if you get the chain 3 in the beginning of the chain 2, then you include it into the 2 double crochet. If you get it on top of the stitch, then you consider it as a double crochet in the stitch. So chain 3, this time is on top of the previous chain 3, so this space will be worked as normal, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So we'll proceed to the next stitches with 1 double crochet in each. So 2 double crochet in the space, chain 2, 2 double crochet, in the next spaces, in the next stitches, sorry, 1 double crochet in each. In the space again, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And in the stitches, 1 double crochet in each. You see how it's getting bigger? And the last space, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And here we have one more stitch where we will work 1 double crochet and join to the top, chain 3 with a slip stitch. This is how it looks. This is the solid granny square. So for the next rows, no matter how big is your granny square, you're gonna continue the same. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the 4 spaces, and 1 double crochet in each stitch until you get the width you want of your granny square. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow and clear. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.